The E21 error code on a washer indicates a drainage problem, appearing when the washer doesn't drain fast enough. This issue is often caused by a clogged or damaged drain hose or a faulty drain pump. To resolve this problem, start by inspecting the drain hose. Disconnect the power to the washer. Remove the lower access panel and release the clamp that secures the drain hose to the pump. Then, remove the rear panel to access and remove the rest of the drain hose. Check the drain hose for tears, clogs, and kinks, using a straightened wire hanger to push out any clogs. If kinks or tears are found, replace the hose. After inspecting and potentially replacing the hose, reattach the rear and lower panels, and switch on the washer to see if the error code persists. If the issue remains, replacing the drain pump may be necessary. To do this, disconnect the power to the washer, remove the lower access panel, and release the inlet and outlet hoses. Unthread the pump's mounting screws, and disconnect the wire harnesses. Remove the old pump, and prepare the new one by repositioning the impeller housing and transferring the mounting bracket. From the old pump, place the new pump in the washer's base. Connect the wires, thread the mounting screws, and attach the inlet and drain hoses. Reattach the lower panel, plug in the washer, and check if the error code is cleared.